Keeping your toddler or infant safe. Your toddler is curious about everything. With newfound abilities like walking and running, nothing is more exciting than freely exploring the world. But with a bit of curiosity thrown in and you have a mix for disaster, as so many parents will tell you. The terrible twos didn't earn their name for no reason. The safety measures that you took for your baby must now extend greater and protect your little one from dangers that, before children, you may never have realized existed. Luckily, you can take many safety measures to protect your toddler from the many dangers that lurk in the big world. A number of products are available for purchase to safety-proof your home, or hiring a professional to safety-proof your home may be your preferred method. Either way, it is important that you take precaution now to prevent risks later. You'll need to get down to your toddler's level in order to keep him safe. The dangers that you encounter are far different from those of a curious 2 or 3-year-old. Think like a toddler and look high and look low for dangers both inside and outside of the home. Don't take your eyes off of your child even for a second. Toddlers certainly have a speed that will give any cheetah a run for its money, and in those few seconds when you look away, your little one can be in the middle of a busy highway or in the 6-foot end of the pool, or one of any other scenarios. Don't lay anything down that is within the reach of your toddler. Lighters, matches, guns, and any other item that is dangerous should always be put out of the reach of toddlers, and, of course, guns inside of a locked cabinet. Don't allow your toddler to play with plastic bags. They can easily suffocate a child or choke them. Avoid burns by using the back burners on your stove and by turning all of the handles toward the back of the stove. Teaching your child not to approach strange pets is also an essential step in toddler safety. Big furry dogs are a sure delight for little ones, but a dog bite could be the result. Use safety latches and locks, as well as the many other safety products made to keep babies and toddlers safe. These products are available at most baby stores and prevent accidents from occurring in the first place. Cleaning products have a proper home, and that's not within eyesight or reach of your toddler. Cleaning products can be hazardous to your toddler. Keep these products in a cabinet high above the reach of a toddler, and too high even when climbing in a chair, or inside of a locked cabinet that includes a safety latch. Never let your toddler put foreign objects in his mouth. Not only is this unsanitary, it also causes a major choking concern. Use furniture with rounded edges or protect those sharp ends with furniture end covers. Bumps into tables and sharp corners of furniture may hurt you, but for a toddler they can be even more serious. Keep toys off of the floor and inside of a toy box. Toys can easily cause slips and falls, and certain toys, such as Legos, cause immense pain when stepped on. Trust this statement and don't try it out for yourself. The bathroom plunger is viewed as a fun toy for your child. While you do want to keep a plunger in the bathroom, it shouldn't be within the reach of toddlers. Use safety kids to prevent kids from entering other area of the home where dangers may lurk. Use safety cords on window blinds cords. This is a leading cause of ER visits for toddlers. Make sure that you prevent this kind of accident with your little one. If you have pictures or decor on the walls, is each piece properly secured? Toddlers that can easily detach photos from walls are in danger. Take extra precaution to secure photos that you hang on the walls. Always use a car seat when traveling with your toddler, even if it is only a short distance. It is the law, and it is the only way to ensure your child's safety. Door safety latches ensure that windows and/or doors aren't opened by little ones as you travel to your destination.